Millions of low-income earners in Uganda struggle with limited credit histories. Thus, few financial opportunities, with some being left behind.
When you have a good behavior, and behavior in our scenario means when you are actively using your mobile wallet, for example, you are buying a lot of data, you are buying airtime, and when you have remained loyal in the system, for example, if you have been in the network for a long time, you actually have a better rating, and how they have been, some of them have been able to pick it is because of the product we have offered. These are some of the parameters that we have used to determine the limit that we can be able to lend.
But to micro-lenders in the telecom financial services sector, the increase in usage of digital financial services has now prompted innovative means, allowing for a more comprehensive assessment of people's financial health.
As Bureau, and I would say as New Grid, we are promoting a narrative where your credit score becomes your reputational score. That narrative is still at, I would say, nursery stage, but it's really the future of lending, because majority of Ugandans don't have the physical collateral that most banks really ask. So we believe that your behavior, your credit score can actually represent who you are, and the banks can look at you as someone who is a potential borrower.
There's consensus that a lender is more likely to approve a loan with a positive credit history because it indicates a lower risk of default.
Actually, what we want to do, and this is there are two elements of users of this credit. As a customer, I would like to know what is my score, and the score is what you are calling the credit score. And this score, what it does, it helps you to know that if tomorrow I want them to borrow from a particular institution that is already connected to Airtel Money, that is lending there, what is my range? Because what we expect to see in future is whereby as an institution that is lending money, either an MFI or a commercial bank or any other institution that is lending money or giving devices, you can be able to say if the customer is at AAA, he qualifies for up to 1 million or 2 million Uganda shillings. So basically, as a customer, being able to query that score is very important. Then our thinking is this: we don't want to punish the customers to get smartphones. We want to tell every customer should be included. So even if the customer does not have a smartphone, he should be able to use the normal USSD.
It's also known that credit information sharing concerns primarily revolve around privacy, security, accuracy, and the potential for misuse of that data. In Uganda, credit reference bureaus say with the help of the regulator, privacy issues have been addressed.
We are licensed, supervised by the central bank. So before a central bank issues a certificate, a CRB certificate or license to any bureau, their procedures, their processes, any potential applicant go through. Data security is one of those. So, for example, in our case, the central bank had to visit our data center where we are hosting the servers and all those kind of stuff. But also we do frequent system audit. They make sure that we have firewall, we have all the security features in place.
What we learn in this is prudent management of your finances, allowing you to track your dates, understand your financial standing, and identify any inaccuracies and fraudulent activities.